my cousins, so I'm back with another video. In this one, I'll be showing you how to have some really cute nails on a budget, because I know that school just started again, and I know that you probably spent all your money on clothes and shoes and stuff like that, so you don't really have money, or you may not have money to get your nails done. So I'm gonna give you a cute little alternative into getting like acrylic. So I have some press-on nails, and I get these all the time, and they have some really cute styles. And they have like the black ones, they have the pink with the little gold accent nail, they have like a neutral if you don't really like a lot of color. And they also have different sizes. They have the short ones, they have the medium, and they also have maybe like the little longer ones. I don't really like wearing long nails because they always get in the way, and I'm always typing, so I like to keep them kind of short. But the style that I'll be showing you today is the purple ones, because of course we know that I love purple. So this is how it looks. And I like these little sets because they come with the glue and they come with the little files. And this one was only $4.99, and it's the Goldfinger Gel Glam Ready to Wear Gel Manicure. So this is a really nice set. I really do like these. They're very convenient, and then when you get tired of them, you can take them off. You can always reuse them. So I think they're very cute, and they're very cost friendly also. So if you would like to see how I apply my press-on nails, then keep on watching. All right, you guys. So what you would need is some alcohol, cotton balls, a file, maybe like a nail kit, and then you'll need the nails that you're using. All right, so the first thing that I do is I take a cotton ball, and I take some alcohol, and I rub it on my nails. And it helps to just get any kind of oil or any kind of dirt off of your nail, so that when you apply the press on, that it will last longer. Okay, then I'm gonna let that dry. So I'm gonna take all the stuff out of the packaging, so it'll be ready to go. All right, and then this little wooding tool they include is for you can push back your cuticles so the nail will fit better. So I'm gonna push back my cuticles. And I think this is a very important step, because it just makes the nails look better on your finger all the way around the cuticle. I like to file my nail, because even though it's going to be under the nail, the fake nail, I still like my nails to be in good condition. So I just like to file it, make sure it's smooth. And then I see a little hangnail, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Now I'm not telling y'all to do that, but that's just what I do. Okay. All right. So the next thing that I do is I go ahead and I find the nails that fit my nail, because I have very small nail beds. So I like to get the nails that fit my nail. And then I just lay them out after I find the right one. And this just saves time, because you don't want to be looking for the nail after you have glued some of them on. So I just go ahead and find the ones before I start gluing. And I have small nail beds, so I kind of have to search until I find the one that fits my nail. So now I have all the nails that I'm going to use, and then I go ahead and open up the glue. And it just has like a little twist off. And now I'm ready to start applying the nail. And with these nails, they have little numbers at the end, so that's how you know that that is the side that will go on the end of the nail, and then the side without the number will go up towards the cuticle. But with these type of nails, you can pretty much put it the way you want it. Like if you want it to be square instead of oval, you can just flip it around. If you want it to be pointy instead of square, then just flip it around. So they're kind of, you can kind of customize the way that you want your nails to be. So I'm gonna start with the thumb, and I'm gonna apply the gel, and I apply some of it on my nail, and then I apply some on the nail too, on the fake nail. And you want to put it close to where it's going to be on your cuticle, and you want to just spread it around so that it will be secure on your nail. So I just take it and I put it in there, and I just put some in there, then I just use the tip of the glue to spread it around. Make sure you get the edges, because that's the part that will lift first. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my nail. So I put my nail down, put the press on, then I press it down, and I hold it until I feel like it's starting to dry. And you can kind of feel it tighten up on your nail, and that's how you know that it's drying. And I just press it all the way around, definitely around the edges, to make sure that it's sticking really good. And if you get some excess glue, just use your Q-tip and you can wipe it off. And that's how it's looking. Make sure that you keep pressing it. Okay, then I move on to the next nail. Do the same thing all over again on each nail. You just apply the glue to the press on. Make sure that you're getting the edges really good. Then I apply some to my real nail. Then I just press it on. I'm going to make sure that you wipe off any excess glue, because you don't want that on your skin. So you just continue to go around until you have all your nails on. So that's what it's looking like now. Okay. All right, so we're on to the last nail. So I'm just pressing it down until I feel like it has stuck. Going back, making sure all of them are secure. And that's how they look. And you can also kind of, I like to file mine a little bit because they come a little pointy. So I like to file them just to give them a better shape so they're not as pointy. Filed off that little tip so will not be pointing because they can be kind of scratchy. So that's how they look. And I think they're cute, especially if you just want something, you know, just to add to your little outfit. Nails just seem to tie in. Nails just seem to tie your outfit in together, especially if you have on a really cute outfit, you have on some heels or something like that, you got your hair cute, your makeup on, you know, your nails just make you feel like, okay, everything is complete. See how my hand is moving now that I have my nails on? But yeah, we tend to do that when we get our nails done with the talk with our hands. So, but yeah, but that's how it looks. I think they're really cute. You know, and then when I get tired of them, I can take them off and then I can save them for when I want to put them back on again. So yeah. And I don't have to sit in a salon for hours and I don't have to pay $40, $50, you know, for some nails that I don't really like. So if I get tired of these, I can change the style. And then if I want to wear them again, I can just glue them back on my nails. So yeah, I think these are really cute. So these are how they look. Really simple, really easy to apply. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Very easy, cute little set. And this is also alternative to having to polish your nails because I can polish somebody else's nails, but I'm horrible at polishing my nails. And then if I do polish them really good, they seem to chip like the same day or the next day. So this is really cute, something that you could just throw on if you want to wear it for a couple of days or if you want to wear it for a week. Because I normally get like a week's wear of these press-on nails and then they start popping off, but hey, you can always glue them back on. But anyway, so I think they're really cute. So this is how I apply my press-on nails. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you on the next one. Peace.